Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, we are going to see about how to get a live data information about the COVID-19 virus. Okay, in this tutorials, we are going to scrap a website to get the latest information about the COVID-19 virus. Okay, this video is about the web scraping. So if you want to know about what is meant by web scraping, then comment down. I will surely make a video about what is meant by the web scraping. Okay, so let's start the tutorials. So before start this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and help me to reach out 10k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so mainly you need to share this channel to your friends and colleagues. Okay, let's start the video. So here we are using the two modules to scrap the website. Okay, so the first module is the request module. Okay, so let's import the module request. Okay, so the request module is used to send the HTTP request to any server and receive the HTTP response back. So we will use the request module to send the HTTP request to the Worldometer website and get the response back. Okay, so let's import another module that is called BS4. Okay, so the BS4 is nothing but the Beautiful Soup, the 4 version. Okay, so from the BS4 we are importing the Beautiful Soup library. So the Beautiful Soup module is used to take out the useful data information from the website. Okay, so here we are using the website that is called the Worldometer. So the request module will send the request to the website and the Beautiful Soup scrap the website and take out the useful information for us. So after importing the modules, we need to initiate the request. Okay, so for the request we need the URL. Okay, so let's create a variable called the URL and paste the link. Okay, so here this is our main link. So here I mentioned the country name as India, so it will get only the India data about the coronavirus. Okay, so if you want US, UK and so many countries, then you can rename it as your country that you want. Okay, so next we are going to send the request to this website. So let's create a variable called the request equal to request.get URL. Okay, so this variable is used to send the request to this website. Okay, so after getting the request from the website, we need to scrap the data from that website. Okay, so here we need to use the Beautiful Soup module to scrap the website. Okay, so let's create a Beautiful Soup object first. Okay, so here I mention it as a BS object equal to Beautiful Soup request dot text. Okay, so this object is very useful object to scrap the data. Okay, so this request will get the response as a HTML data format. Okay, so this object and scrap the data, and this HTML dot parser, it help you to read the HTML related data, okay, from the website. Okay, so after scrapping the website, we need 3 data. Okay, so the number of cases, number of deaths and number of cases recovered. Okay, so these 3 data. Okay, so go to the Worldometer website and inspect the element. Okay, so look at this image. This image will show you the clearly. Here the main counter number. Okay, this class provides the three things. Okay, so this class provides the 3 values. That values are number of cases, number of deaths and number of cases recovered. Okay, so this class is under the div tag. Okay, so let's create a variable called the data equal to the program. Okay, so this is the status of India. Okay, so if you want the country like USA, then you need to mention US. Okay, so US. So this is the status of USA. So if you want the more countries, then you need to mention the ISO code of your country. Okay, so then only the website identifies your country code and it will replace the status of your country. Okay, so this is the script that I want to share with you. So thanks for watching and keep support me to reach 10k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so please share the channel to your friends and share the videos that I created to your friends. Okay, so thanks for watching and thank you.